Hi guys, I was gifted this 8-in-1 tool from the seller, so I can do a demo for you and show you how it works. So it's pretty cool. So you got needle nose on the end, you got crimpers or strippers right here. You also have a spot where you can twist wires together, and this one actually will cut the jacket off. So I'll demonstrate here with some power cable how the cutter works. So you just go ahead and push it on through, and you can see how it cut the wire like that. So once it's cut, then you can strip the jacket off pretty easy. So on these wires, you just find the correct gauge here and crimp down and pull off, and you can see how easy that is. And it's got the nice needle nose, so if you wanted to use the needle nose. The twist feature, let me show you how that works. So first I'm going to strip off some wires. So if you're like needing to put these wires in a wire nut or something, you can let's do the twist feature. Let me get one more wire, so we get 3. So I'm going ahead and cut and making that slit, see, with that cutting part of it, and then it'll let me strip it back. We strip some more wire again, and we'll go ahead and let's just say we want to put these 3 wires together in a wire nut. We will put them right in this twister part. There's like 4 different sections, so you can do like 4 different wires. But once you get in there, get the wires in there, then you rotate like this, and as you can see, it twisted all the wires together there. So I'm working on this old 67 Chevy truck, and I'm doing a lot of electrical, so I think these are going to come in handy. Oh, I forgot to mention 2 things. One thing, it's got a cutter right here, so check this out. Boom, just cut all those. And this part right here is an electrical like sensor. So if it comes in contact with power, it'll beep at you. I got a extension cord right here, kind of jerry-rigged up just so I can demo that part of this tool. Let me grab this extension cord. Okay, don't do this at home, but this is a little something I jerry-rigged so I could test these out. You also, there's a little metal part right here, so you have to be in contact with this with like your finger, and then with this you can touch the power, and you can see how it lights up. So it's telling you that thing is energized, don't touch it. And then this side is the neutral, so you can see how it lights up green. So it's a pretty cool little tool. I like all the features that it has. If you guys need a multi-tool like this, you do a lot of electrical work, stuff like I do, I think it'll definitely come in handy. So if you need it, get it.